Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello everyone, welcome to second PUC Statistics online classes. In this video we are going to discuss about problems based on standard normal variate. Okay, now let's see the second problem, that is marks scored by the students of a class follow normal distribution with mean 80 and standard deviation 5. Find the probability that a student selected at random from the class scored the first sub question more than 90 marks, second sub question between 70 and 85 marks, and the third sub question that is less than 75 marks. Next, let's see the solution part. See, here the given observations are, okay, before that we have to write x, that is value of variable. What is value of variable? See, here the problem is based on marks scored by the students. So, here the x is, that is value of variable is marks scored by students. Yeah, here value of variable is marks scored by students, and here what are the given observation? One is mean, another one is standard deviation. Okay, we know that mean is denoted by mu, so here mu is 80 and standard deviation, that is sigma is 5. Okay, now if here we know mu and sigma, then here x follows normal variate. How to write x follows normal variate? Like this. Here x follows normal distribution with mean mu and sigma square. Okay, that we can write. Here x follows normal. Here mu is 80 and sigma is 5. So that I will write here mu is 80 comma sigma, that is 5. Here square is there, so 5 square. And we know that here if n is mu is 0 and sigma is 1, then it follows standard normal variate with normal distribution 0 comma 1. Okay, now here what is z? Here z is x minus mu divided by sigma, is if n is 0 comma 1, and I will substitute n and sigma values. Here mu is 80 and sigma is 5. So here z is equal to x minus 80 divided by 12. Okay, now let's see the first sub question, that is probability of students scored more than 90 marks. How to write more than 90? Yeah, this is equal to the students scored more than 90, that is probability of x more than 90. The sign is greater than 90. Okay, this is equal to, I will write this x is in the form of z. So here x minus mu. See here x, that is probability of x minus mu divided by sigma. The sign is greater than, here it is 90. So I will write in the place x 90. So 90 minus mu divided by sigma. Okay, this is equal to probability of x minus mu. X minus mu is 80. So 80 divided by 5 greater than 90 minus 80 divided by 5. Okay, this is equal to, here x minus 80 divided by 5 is, yes, here sigma is 5. So I will write here it is 5. Okay, so here in the place sigma, here it is 5. So here z is equal to x minus 80 divided by 5. Okay, now see here this is x minus 80 divided by 5. This is z. See here z is x minus 80 divided by 5. So that in the place x minus 80 divided by 5 I will write z. So this is probability of z. The sign is greater than 90 minus 80 divided by 5. Here 90 minus 80 is 10 divided by 5 is 2. Okay. See here the sign is greater than, so that we can write area from 2 to infinity. Okay, now let's see this area using standard normal curve. The standard normal curve is like this. The range of standard normal curve is minus infinity to plus infinity. It is symmetric about 0. Okay, now see the area from here 2 to infinity. 2 is positive value. So area from here to here. Okay, now I will search this value in statistical table. So here Z takes positive value. So here 2 is, yes, here the table value is 0.0228. Okay, this is the calculated answer of probability of students scored more than 90 marks. Okay, now let's see the second sub question, that is probability of students scored marks between 70 and 80. Okay, now this is equal to probability of, see here, this is probability of students scored marks between 70 and 85. How to write this? Here the first value is 70 less than x less than 85. See here the students marks lies between 70 and 85. Okay, this is equal to probability of, so the first select the first value, that is 70. So 70 minus mu divided by sigma less than, so next is x, that is x minus mu divided by sigma. The next sign is less than, so less than 85 minus mu divided by sigma. Okay, now I will substitute mu and sigma values here, that is probability of 70 minus, here mu is 80. So I will substitute 70 minus 80 divided by 5 less than x minus 80 divided by 5 less than, here it is 85 minus 80 divided by 5. Okay, this is equal to probability of, this is 70 minus 80 is minus 10. So minus 10 divided by 5 is minus 2. So less than, here x minus 80 divided by 5 is z, less than 85 minus 80, that is 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Okay. See here z lies between minus 2 and 1. So I will write it as area from minus 2 to infinity. Okay, now let's see this area using standard normal variate. This is symmetric about 0. Okay, now see the first value, that is minus 2. Here minus 2 is here. I will mark here. The next minus 2 to 1. See here z is lies between minus 2 and 1. So I will write area from minus 2 to 1. See minus 2 is here, then 1 is here. I will mark here. Okay, this is area from minus 2 to infinity. Okay, in this case how to calculate table value? See, first we have to calculate area from minus 2 to infinity. After that, subtract area from minus 1 to infinity from area from minus 2 to infinity. Okay, after that subtract area from 1 to infinity. Okay, now here area from minus 2. Minus 2 is negative value, so I will go for negative side. Here minus 2 is 0.9772 minus, here 1 is positive value, so here 1 is 0.1587. Now 0.9772 minus 0.1587 is 0.8185. Okay, this is calculated answer of probability of students scored marks between 70 and 85. Okay, next let's see the third sub question, that is probability of students scored less than 75 marks. Okay, this is equal to probability of, this is less than 75, so I will write it as x less than 75. Okay, this is equal to probability of x minus mu divided by sigma, the sign is less than. Okay, next 75 minus mu divided by sigma. Okay, this is equal to probability of x minus mu, mu is 80, 80 divided by sigma, that is 5, less than 75 minus mu divided by sigma. Okay, this is equal to probability of x minus 80 divided by 5 is z, less than 75 minus 80 divided by 5. Here 75 minus 80, that is minus 5, minus 5 divided by 5, that is minus 1. Okay, this is equal to, see here the sign is less than, so I will write it area from minus infinity to minus 1. Okay, now I will show this area using standard normal curve. The standard normal curve is bell shaped. So on. Okay, here the area is minus infinity to minus 1. See here, minus 1 is here. Okay, this is area from minus infinity to minus 1. Okay, now in this case how to calculate how to calculate area from minus 1 to minus 1? First we have to find total area of this curve. Okay, we know that total area of this curve is 1. So I will write it as area from minus infinity to infinity. After that subtract area from minus 1 to infinity, then we will get area from minus infinity to minus 1. Okay, next we have to write area from minus 1 to infinity, minus 1 to infinity. Okay, now we know that area from minus infinity to infinity, that is 1. Yes, area from infinity to minus infinity, infinity to minus infinity is 1. This is minus, now we need to calculate area from minus 1 to infinity. Here minus 1 is yes, here minus 1 is 0.8413. Okay, this is equal to 1 minus 0.8413 is 0.1587. Okay, this is the calculated answer of probability of students scored less than 75 marks. Thank you for watching this video.